Thrissur. It's the land of culture, glittering with the heritage of construction excellence. The construction sphere of this ever-growing city is always in a fast development mode along with the movement of time. Blending strength, ensuring quality, saving time, toughening trust. Best Readymix concrete, a bond forever. Giving strength to the maximum, Best Readymix concrete has become a catalyst for the architectural growth in Thrissur. Locating at the industrial area along the medical college route in Mundur village, Best Readymix concrete completes 10 long years of powerful presence in the arena of construction based on quality production. With a dozen of transit mixer trucks, German technology-driven batching units and quality ensuring departments, Best Readymix offers its relentless service to both the commercial and residential construction field. Raw materials taken from the same source, it's what decides the supreme quality of Best Readymix concrete. 20 mm, 12 mm metal and sand are the major aggregates used to make this indispensable ingredient for quality building construction. Only after through washing and removing of waste elements, these raw materials are selected for ready-mix concrete production. Using proclanes, selected raw materials are brought to the batching units separately. The manufacturing process starts by adding metal and sand alternately into the material dumping hopper. 2 types of metal and sand are used for the purpose. The raw materials go upwards to the aggregate compartment through a conveyor belt. Then the raw materials enter the stock bin compartment consisting of 4 chambers. 20 mm, 12 mm metal and sand are filled separately in these chambers. According to the level of material filling in the chambers, adjusts itself automatically. Assured quality of the raw materials are collected by the skip basket and goes upwards through the skip rope after computerized weighing process. 3 silos all filled with cement are installed for this purpose. The aggregates are processed here and ready to mix with cement and water. The computerized systems assure the accuracy of every step involved in the ready-mix manufacturing process. The whole process is controlled by high-end computer programs and a technical hub is set up right inside a cabin in the unit premises to execute all these functions effectively. From the very first step of feeding raw materials to loading the finished products to transit mixer trucks, all activities are under strict surveillance here. The same caution is there in force while transferring the best of concrete mixtures to the transit trucks. Its production quantity counts up to 60 cubic meter per hour. Workers are always on alert in the premises to supervise the computerized ready-mix transferring process. The company follows stringent quality control measures throughout ready-mix concrete production. Samples are taken from every load to test its quality by expert technicians. Trawlers are used to collect the samples, which will be later filled in slump cones with utmost care. The samples should provide required compaction. The cones are removed soon after complete filling. A solid shape of the mixture is formed as the result. The correct quantity is measured according to the reading taken on the standard measurement and the samples are sent to the lab. Most advanced technologies are applied to test the quality of ready-mix samples. It needs to be shaped as a cube prior to the lab test. Iron molds are used to make the cubes by filling the sample in required quantity after vigorous compaction. Later, these cubes are deeply immersed in water, stored in spacious tanks to check the consistency of each cube. The cubes are kept in the water tank for 7 or 28 days accordingly. The solid strong cubes are taken to the lab, which is fully equipped with scientific instruments and testing materials. The cubes are tested individually for assuring the quality of the concrete. All tests are supervised and ratings are recorded by authorized civil engineers. Employees are also trained for conducting tests in the lab. This process involves the effective transfer of Readymix through the concrete pumps at the construction site. Expert workers are there to pour the Readymix concrete evenly on the prepared surface. Best Readymix keeps ensuring correct supply of concrete in the best proportions, and it's the very speciality of Best Readymix concrete. Our computerized technology makes it all possible without any failure. The super strength and ultra finishing offered by Best Readymix concrete can be experienced the most scientific way too. Be it residential or commercial project, the precision, the perfection and the speed provided by Best Readymix concrete simply makes everyone appreciate its high quality service. It's always an engineer's privilege to achieve happiness in every footstep towards the successful completion of a dream project. Best is always the best. Best Readymix concrete, Velakod, Mundur, Thrissur.